Nightly juicy memes. Everyday 10 PM British time. POV. You're the fridge at 3 AM. First guy to eat a poisonous berry dies. The guy who was with him. The entire Bible written in Braille. The blind person about to read it. This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Gandhian Indian textbooks. Gandhian actual history. Gandhian civilization games. Me waiting in line because mum said if I want a chalky milk I had to go order it. Old iPhone users be like 100% charged. 4% charged. Actually you can put milk first when you eat cereal, but only if you're eating the cereal for the second time. It is acceptable. Worrying about my bad grades in class tests. Not studying. Me. Science. You should sleep 7 to 8 hours. Me. 7 minus 8 equals -1. Understandable. Have a great day. Next gen consoles. Toilet paper. Being impossible to get. Minecraft. Generating world. Do people actually read these? Yes. Yes we do. Batman's parents at 25. Let's have a kid. Yes. Batman at 25. I will leave Joker alive again so that he can kill someone again. Nobody. Darts. Hey look, a chemistry. Dad taking me back to school after my doctor's appointment to flex on all my friends at lunch. Asian parents when their child gets stung by a bee instead of an A. The Samsung Galaxy S21 probably won't come with a charger. It was said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them. The knife I use for cooking. The knife YouTubers use to open a cardboard box. The knife Indian guy uses to cut people. Press open chat to open chat. Russia is located in Russia. Shoot to shoot the shotgun. Yes, the floor here is made out of floor. Instagram models. Random girl at the gas station buying cigarettes. Everyone deserves mercy. I make fake X buttons on mobile game ads. Most people deserve mercy. If molecules are always vibrating, then vibrators are vibrating, even when they're off. So, this is a Wendy's. 27-year-old me, looking at my mum giving away my Legos to my little cousins. You find the cure for cancer. You forgot to save the Word document. Me, goes to a job interview. Interviewer, hi, me. I do not kill people. That is my least favorite thing to do. What do you miss the most from before? I don't miss anything. I miss Adobe Flash Player. Me, licks the knife after I'm done. The rest of surgeons. You find $5 on the ground. You find $10 right next to it. You find a whole bag of money a few steps later. Something's wrong. I can feel it. When you fart, but your pants get heavier. Me having problems on my PC. Some 8-year-old kid describing how to fix it. Cashier, congratulations. You are our 10,000th customer. Your whole purchase just costs $1. Me who bought bubblegum for $0.99. When Americans realize they have been using thermometer instead of thermofeet. Confused screaming. The sun after hitting someone with skin cancer from 149,600,000 kilometers away. The sniper. The greatest honor a teacher can give you. Good question. I don't really have any strong opinions on anything. It's not addition and multiplication. It's plussing and timesing. Media. All gamers are bad and violent. Meanwhile gamers raising more than 1.5 million euros during charity stream. Soviet citizen, I think. Stalin. Send him to the prison island. What is the formula for nitric oxide? NO. Oh ho ho. Okay. Ooh. Well, so you wanna do it the hard way, huh? We News Channel. CNN. That one girl in the back of the class while the teacher is talking. 10,000 calorie flaming hot Cheetos challenge. 11-year-old me waiting for my Hogwarts acceptance letter. Hackers in movies be like, I'm in Island. isn't land. It's hard to argue with his assessment. Superheroes after destroying an entire city just to save one person. A social media influencer filmed himself tricking elderly and homeless people into eating bars of soap covered in chocolate. Mario's gonna do something very illegal. Oil floats on water. 1. Wait for it to rain. 2. Cover yourself in oil. Connection lost. Flying is not enabled on this server. Special talent. Can cook minute rice in 58 seconds. Intelligence is not a privilege, it's a gift. Are you taking me to the hospital? No sir, you need top medical experts. We are taking you to the comments section. High school students. How do I get a job? How do I pay taxes? Schools. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, my child is failing. What do I do? Blame the phone. Blame the video games. Help them. Me turning the car slightly. Groceries in my passenger seat. What do you miss the most from before? I don't miss anything. I miss Cartoon Network. Florida man dies in explosion after attempting to microwave a microwave. Me trying to put my change and receipt in my pocket. The next person in line. My wife. Her friend asking why Darth Vader wasn't in the Boba Fett show on Disney Plus. Me. This door is red. I know this, and I love you. People, how did your house survive the storm? Me. How to prepare for a Zoom meeting. New password. Feet, miles, gallons, week. New password. Meters, kilometers, liters, strong. When you're telling your parents a cool story and you accidentally mention an illegal part. When a company you're applying to asks why you want to work for them. Gotta get money for the things I wanna buy. What fictional character you want to exist? Most presidents in movies, they seem not to belong to a political party and always do the honorable thing. Why would you say something so controversial yet so brave? Parents, 2 wrongs don't make a right. Math. American tourists visiting the countries they bombed. I wonder who that's for. When you've had a really horrible day, then someone pushes your last button. Me watching my kid at the park. Me, which one is yours? Random stranger. Dunno man, still deciding. Nobody. Speedrunners whenever they discover a glitch that will save them 0.00069 seconds. The laws of time are mine. 5-year-olds in the grocery store be like. Me, my friend's not replying, but it's okay. I know they're just busy. My brain, they hate you. Me, why are you the way that you are? Harry who just cleaned his room. Dumbledore, that's very nice. 150 points to Gryffindor. When God uses the Uno reverse card. Mint gives a cool feeling. Step 1. Cover yourself in mint. Step 2. Jump in a live volcano. 3. Swim. Asian parents when their daughter gets an F in gender instead of A+. Wins they've never used before. Do you trust me? Baby birds about to yeet themselves 20 feet in the air with every cell of my body. Me watching a Leonardo DiCaprio movie and waiting for the meme scenes to pop up. Legos can't be sexy. I bet you feel dumb right now. Bad allergies. Having to pee. Me trying to go back to sleep. Women who could count to 500 years ago. Will you please listen? I'm not a witch. She is a witch. I'm so angry I made a sign. My arms are tired. Protest. Treating women like objects. Treating objects like women. Well, I have schizophrenia. What was that, punk? Me deciding to watch one more YouTube video before bed. Me at 3 AM watching a tutorial on how to build your own thermonuclear bomb. Me takes off my mask to breathe easier. The other scuba divers. Netflix putting Netflix originals in the popular on Netflix category. Man, woman, white, black, poor, rich, Asian, the person who said, let's remove Adobe Flash. When you get loaded into an ambulance, but you are broke. Let me go. Let me die.